Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's July the 14th, and these are the charts of the day. Interesting day on Wall Street. Strong start. They petered out a little bit at the end there, but I have a list of stocks to show you that were pretty active. AEHR after hours came out with a strong report, and check out this move. Vertical, coil, pop, and a long coil. Keep an eye on this one. Going forward, if we can get through this zone, we might see something around 110 or even 120. But let's just see what happens tomorrow for starters. ATAI coming through a quadruple top with a big spike and an engulfing bullish bar today. 487 to 579. Finished up 78 cents or 16%. That's a breakout. Now looking for 6 3/4. One of our old favorites, AAOI, woke up today, and so did its ETF AAOX. You can see the pop. Looking for a move that gets me to 140. And for AAOX, the pop also popped. If it gets to resistance up above 23.5, we may be looking at 28.9. Dell's ETF DLLL also popped, jumping 362 or 15%. Looks like it's headed for at least a test of the high, which comes in around 30.5. You get through that looking for low to mid 30s. ZETA, almost an engulfing bar, but it came off support and closed near the high for the day. Resistance around 23. We get through that. We're looking for 24 3/4, 25, maybe as high as 27. BWEN, one of my personal junior favorites right now, popped the wedge and began wave 5, I believe, with good technicals. I think this stock's headed for 6 1/4. FCEL finally rebounded after a nasty drop, which saw a drop from nearly 38 down to 18 3/4. That's a 20-point loss in a week and a half after such a big move. But it may have stabilized near the trend line and near lateral price support and moving averages. If it does go, the challenge is 24.5 is your gap, and then 26 1/4 would be next. TNGX was the swing trade I put out after it popped in last month and pulled back. Then it went into a coil for 4 weeks. Looks like it could be getting ready. That's my take. OBV rising. Looking for a move into the mid-30s. VEEE, what a wonderful follow-through day. After yesterday's monster session with 100, what was the volume yesterday? Let's see. Yeah, 75 million share traded yesterday. Today, a mere 25 million. But still, nice follow-through day. Up against resistance. If it does extend, I'm looking for mid-60s. And finally, NXTC with the biggest gainer of the day today, as it exploded literally from 2 1/4 to 1240 before finishing way back at 565. Still up 3.5 points. And with that kind of volume, it could be a trigger for something more. I'm looking for a rebound to test the 7 3/4 range just for starters. And that's it tonight from the techtrader.com. This is HB out. Have a great evening.